Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can install Visual Studio Code in Windows. So for it, just go to any browser and in the browser search for Visual Studio Code, and here you can see code.visualstudio.com. So you need to click here. After that, here you can see download for Windows. So I'm going to click here and it will show you a message, thanks for downloading VS Code, and here you can see a download started over here. And there you can see the download is complete. So when the download is complete, you just need to double click on the exe file, and here it will show you something like this. So here you need to accept the agreement, click on next, and here you can choose where you want to install VS Code. I'll keep the default location, then click on next, and here I'm going to check this on create a desktop icon, then click on next, then click on install. So it will install Visual Studio Code, and there you can see it is done. So here you can see the Visual Studio Code icon, and here since I just check this on, so if I now just click on finish, it will open Visual Studio Code, and there you can see Visual Studio Code is opened over here. So yeah, this is how you can install Visual Studio Code on Windows.